Robotics Engineering is a full course for students in grades 10 through 12. In this course, students will acquire a basic understanding of robots and their application. Students will define important terms associated with robotics and will be able to explain different types of drive systems and sensors associated with robotics. Throughout this course, students will engage in several different robotic challenges. In these challenges, students will use the VEX robotics platform to engineer, design, and build a robot to compete. RoboPool is a project where students will work in teams to design, engineer, and build a robot to pull a weighted sled. Through the completion of this project, students will gain an understanding of gears, gear ratios, and how they affect a robot's speed and torque. Students will also be able to analyze how basic principles of physics such as friction, gravity, and weight distribution can affect a robot's design. Swept Away is a robotics competition where two robots will face head-to-head. Students will work in teams to engineer, design, and build a robot that can pick up footballs and soccer balls. At the end of 3 minutes, the team that scores the most points wins. Skills that students will learn throughout this project include time management, teamwork, problem solving, and being able to perform under pressure. The FBI Challenge is a project where students will simulate being part of an engineering team. The team will design, build, and test a robot to perform in dangerous environments. Each robot must be able to maneuver through a course using a wireless camera in the opposite room. Students will also learn how to use Autodesk Inventor software to create a 3D model gripper. This gripper will be made using a 3D printer. Along the way, students will be able to test their robots and redesign areas where they might have run into certain problems. At the end of this project, each group will present and test a robot in front of a panel of FBI agents. The FBI will only sign one contract out of all the teams competing. Animatronics is a project where students will learn about pneumatics and how pneumatic systems work. Students will work together in groups of 4 to 5 to engineer, design, and make an animatronics device. As a group, they must choose a topic or theme for their robot. The design must incorporate 3 pneumatic cylinders, which will make the robot move. Students will utilize the manufacturing lab to safely build their project. Once the project is complete, students will be able to control this device manually or with their cell phones by downloading a specific app.